Hi there, this is Cami, and we're back for another year of Skills Blitz. This time we are doing search skills, and we are going to start off in September with a really useful little trick, and it is Ctrl F for find. On a Mac, it is Command F, so you can substitute that if you're on a Mac for any of these. So the first place we're going to go to is a place where we really use this often, and that's in a great big spreadsheet. And so let's say that we are looking for a particular name. I'm going to go Control F, and I'm going to type in the name of a school. And so you can see it always pops up in the top right-hand corner. This school was named 12 times, and there's little up and down arrows. If I click on those, it scrolls through and I can see all the places that it's used. Another place that I can use Control F to find a document, so we'll go Control F, is in Slides or PowerPoint. Now watch, this time I'm going to type in the word drive, because on each of these slides in this document, you can see it says drive on each slide. But that was last year's challenge. I want to change this to search. So watch. When I click on the three little dots up here, I'm going to use find and replace. So every time that we use the word drive, I'm going to replace it with the word search. I'm going to say replace all. Now, each of these slides says the word search instead of drive, and I only had to type it one time. Okay, next would be a Google Doc or a Word document. So Control F to get our find window open. Now this time I want to maybe check my spelling. So in this case, I have spelled color like an American, not a Canadian. So I'm going to type in color, and you can see here if I scroll through every time I've spelt it, the American way, it highlights it. I want to change that. So I'm going to click those three dots again. On a Chromebook or a desktop computer, you can go Control H to open the find and replace window. And I'm going to change it to the Canadian color, which has a U. I'm going to say replace all. And now when I scroll through, I can see it has changed it. And did you know you can also use the find tool on a website? So I'm going to use Control F again. The box pops up again at the top. And this time on my type of dog search, I want to look for terrier. A little bit more specifically, I can see that there are 13 cases where there has been terriers on this page. So every time it pops up, it highlights it. So here we can see the word terrier, and it's automatically highlighted in yellow, so that if I want to take a look at the websites that have something about a terrier, I can just go straight to those websites. We can even use Control F in a PDF. So I'm going to go Control F one more time. And let's say that I want to look for the shortcut control. So Ctrl, hit enter. I can see that there's 7 times it's used. I can use the little arrows to scroll, and each time that word is used, it's highlighted in green in my document. So we can use that Control F just about anywhere. So this week, in order to submit your results for your search blitz, you can do 2 things. If you're a teacher, you might want to use the bit.ly on the screen to start adding your screenshots to the collection template if you're planning to do all the search blitz items. If you're doing this with a class, teachers, you can make your own Google slide deck, assign a slide to each student, and they can put the screenshots. This time we are going to collect 3 screenshots from 3 different types of documents, showing you using Control F or find and replace. And so the screenshot should have the word that you found on that document, and take those screenshots and pop them in there. I can't wait till you come back next time, and we're going to learn more search tips.